Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to use the web browser control panel for your Avalon miner and the features that you're going to be able to use with that. But first, what we need is to grab the IP from our Avalon miner. We can cycle through these different screens to find this page, and we want to make note of this IP in the upper left hand corner. We're going to need that to get access to the web browser control panel for this device. So now I'm going to take you over to my computer to show you what that looks like. All right, so now over on my computer, I've opened up a web browser and I typed in 192.168.50.59. Of course, your IP is likely going to be different than this, but this is what the IP for my device is. So typing that in, you need to make sure that your computer is hooked in to the same internet connection. So both of these are hooked up to my home internet connection. Of course, they need to be on the same internet connection so they can communicate with each other. So what I'm going to do here is click enter, and that'll bring me to the Avalon Miner login page. The username is root and the password is root if you have not changed them. So typing that in and then clicking login. And that'll bring us over to the control panel, the overview page for our Avalon miner. We can see the mining status if it's up and running. We can see the real-time hash rate. We can see how much time has elapsed that we've been mining. We can see the pool that we're mining from, our worker, which is our address. Any crypto that we happen to mine will be sent to that. And then we have some additional options over here on the left-hand side. So with configuration, one of the more important tabs, this is where you can set up what mining pool that you want to mine from. And the worker, of course, is the wallet address where you'd like to have any crypto sent that you might mine. The network tab is just going to show you the information of the Wi-Fi internet connection that your Avalon miner is hooked up to. And if you'd like to reset that connection, you can do so in that tab. And then our system settings, you can change your password if you'd like to do that. Like I said, it comes with the password of root, and if you'd like to change that, you can do so on this page. And in the configuration tab, if you want to change these settings, such as the pool you're mining from or the wallet that you'd like the crypto to go to, after you make any changes on this page, you're going to want to reboot your device. So the reboot option is right here. And then there's also the option to factory reset the device down here as well. So this is a great little dashboard that we can use here to see the status of our miner and the information about it that we can conveniently access through an internet web browser as long as we're using a web browser on a device that's hooked in to the same internet that our Avalon miner is hooked up to. So I hope this quick tutorial was helpful. Going over the web browser control panel page that you can use for your Avalon miner, I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.